Hello dear friends, do you want to learn image processing skills with Python? Are you looking for an efficient and simple tool to work with images? This course has over 27,000 students and holds a great rating of 4.4. With a 35% discount provided by Udemy, the price is approximately €13. Things you will learn in this course: image processing with Python, how to resize, crop, copy and paste images with code, how to edit images using Python, and more. This course includes 1 hour of instruction and you will receive a certificate upon completion. I want to give you free access to this course so you can legally enjoy all its content without paying anything and even receive a certificate. Open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com in the Google search bar. The search results will show a link, which you can click to access the website. Make sure that what you've typed is exactly what is displayed. On this page, you can find the latest Udemy courses available with discount coupons. As you can see here, to access the discount coupon for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open, allowing you to view the course details. Keep in mind that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to check the expiration date to access the discount coupon. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to access this course for free through the Go to Discounts website and grab it at no cost. Just keep in mind that there are only 4 days left to claim the discount. If you're interested in exploring other Udemy courses, you can legally access additional sections of the gotodiscounts.com website for free. Just browse through the various categories. To explore other courses, head to the All Discounts section and search for what you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends so they can also benefit from these free courses. We'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.